Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can join Discord channel on your iOS device. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open your Discord app, which can be downloaded through App Store. To join Discord channel, first of all, your friend has to send a Discord invite link to you. So how do you send an invite link? First of all, let us go to that. When you enter any server, on the top side you can see there is invite. When you click on invite, here is some invite link. So all you have to do is copy the link or send to the friends. So when people send you invite link, for example, I'm going to send it to myself. So how do you join the Discord? For that, your friend has to send you an invite link like this. So this is how the invitation link looks like, and when you enter to this link, when you tap on this link, you'll see accept invite. You want to tap on it, and then again you want to tap on accept invite, and now you have joined Discord channel. And that is how you join Discord channel from your iOS device or any other devices. Thank you so much for watching till the end. That is all for today. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.